What's up guys, welcome to my channel Romit Fun World. Today I will set questions about the solar system. You have each questions 3 seconds and 10 questions. Now let's start. Earth is located in the first question. Earth is located in which galaxy? 3, 2, 1. The Milky Way galaxy. Second question. Which planet has rings? Which planet? I will repeat it again. Which planet has rings? It is Saturn. And the third question is, which is the smallest planet? 3, 2, 1. It's Mercury. Fourth question is, which is the biggest planet in our solar system? It is called 3, 2, 1. It is Jupiter. There are how many dwarf? Now let's move on to the fifth question. There are how many dwarf planets in the solar system? 3, 2, 1. It's 5 dwarf planets. Name one dwarf planet. 3, 2, 1. It's Pluto. Which is the coldest planet? 3, 2, 1. The coldest planet is Uranus because it goes upwards. Which planet is red and rocky? It is Mars. Now we are done. I will give a big thumbs up to who answered the questions, and now if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.